Have you ever come across a bug on your computer or your tablet? I don't mean a real bug, although the term computer bug did come from an actual bug in one of the first computers. These days, a computer bug is when something doesn't work correctly because of an error in the code or running a program. And the job of a developer is to find the bug and squash it. I mean, fix it. Welcome to Celebrate Learning 102. My name's Amy, and I'm here to help you take control of your education. Today we're taking another look at our third goal category, Develop Curiosity. I'll open up the Celebrate Learning 101 guide so we can have a look together. If you haven't made one yet and you'd like to, check out the 101 series. Do you remember what your target level was for digital technology? Today we're focusing on designing and creating using code. At the lower levels, start by using devices to create simple things that meet a need. For example, you might need to make a base in Minecraft so you don't get attacked by monsters. You could start doing some basic coding with a coding tutorial like Sparks Flying Junior, where it walks you through what to do using block-based code. Or you could practice giving and following steps in real life. You are getting a family member to pretend they're a robot and telling them to take one step forward, one step right, and then repeat that 10 times, just like you would do here. Got move forward, move forward, move forward. Learn all about loops. At the middle levels, continue developing your coding skills. Many people find it easiest to start with block-based coding, like Scratch. Code Along series from Black Girls Code can help you make some games and different activities in Scratch. This video introduces the concept of different programming languages. As you create, test your project, fix bugs, compare designs, and think about whether your solution actually helps the user. Ask someone what kind of game they would like to play or what problem they need solved, then plan a solution together. At the higher levels, digital technologies becomes much more like real software development. Talk to someone about a real problem they have, then sketch a design, build a prototype, and test it. You could create an app to track spending or habits after completing the App Lab course at this website. Or you could do an hour of AI on code.org or CS for All. Courses from Khan Academy Computer Programming can help you to learn text-based coding and some concepts like pseudocode, functions, and CSS. You can even pitch your final product, create a marketing strategy, evaluate accessibility, and explore future tech trends like AI tools and smart devices. After this episode, create something with technology, a Minecraft base, a Scratch game, an AI chatbot, or a website. Then ask someone to check it out and give you feedback. Keep designing, keep creating, and celebrate learning.